G'day, Stu here. Been a little bit slack on the old video making in recent times. Been very slack on the video making in recent times. We've had lockdown after lockdown after lockdown, and we've sort of, it's been going on for over a year now. So I've done the video about our Maverick Ranger Limited forward fold camper that we bought. I will do a bit more of an in-depth run through. Maybe if we get to go on holidays, we'll be taking it. So, which I've sort of started planning a bit of a trip, but no idea whether we're going to get to go or not. So what I did want to show you guys, if you're interested, I've got a canopy that I put on the back of my ute when we go away, and I've done a bit of changing. So everything's a bit of a mess at the moment because I'm halfway through cleaning this shed out and halfway through redoing my canopy. Right, so this, if you can see that, probably a bit dark, is a Waeco 55 litre and a fridge slide, which is what I used to run in this. What I've done is change the fridge, partly because that was a little bit of a pain, because when you pull it out, it was dropped down to sort of chest height, which that was okay, but you put it back up in there and then you, forgot the cheese. You had to pull it out again. So it's a bit of a pain, and the kids couldn't get into it. The missus couldn't get into it real well, because even though it dropped down, it was still fairly high. So anyway, what I've done is I've gone to a Bushman standard upright fridge. The reason I've done this is easier access, which, people say you might lose cold air, but I think it's going to be fine. And the other thing is weight. So a lot of people don't realise that those fridge slides, that thing weighs 30 kilos. So that's 30 kilos. The Waeco fridge is just a hair under 20 kilos, whereas this thing by itself is 21 kilos. So that's why I've sort of gone that way. The other thing I've done to save weight is I had an AGM battery, which was, I think it was about 36 kilos. And I've gone to a 75 amp hour lithium, which is DCS, Deep Cycle Systems battery. Has an app and everything. And that thing weighs like 8 kilos. So massive difference in weight. So with those two changes, the fridge and the battery, I'm looking at pretty much a reduction of almost 60 kilos, which is one of the children. So one of the children who had to stay home can now come. So yeah, a couple other things I'm going to do, like mount the max tracks on the back and things like that. But I just thought, do a quick video. I still haven't quite finished, because I've still got to finish wiring it up and stuff. So, and yeah, so I just thought I'd do a quick video showing you that. A lot of people are interested in lithium these days, so alright, catch you on the next one. Forgot the cheese. Right,